Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. In the previous lecture, we discussed about string and its related operations. Today we will see set and its operations. So let's get started. Set is a collection of elements which is unordered. That is, set items can appear in a different order and cannot be referred by index. Next, set items are unchangeable. That is, once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can remove items and add new items to it. Next, set do not allow duplicate elements. Now we will see how we can create set. We can create set in two different ways. First, by using curly braces, and second, by using set constructor. Example, S1 is created using curly braces and set S2 is created using set constructor. Next, we will see how we can find the length of the set. We can use len function to find the length of the set. Next is set items data types. Set items can be of any data type like string, int, boolean. First, S1 is created with string. Second, S2 is created with integers. And third, S3 is created with boolean elements. Next is accessing set elements. Set does not support indexing like list and tuples. To access set element, you can make use of for loop. For example, here we have created my set and we are accessing its elements using for loop. Next is checking for membership. You can check if an element is present in a set using in keyword. For example, here we are checking the element banana in the set using in keyword. Next is adding items to the set. To add one item to a set, use add method. For example, here we are adding orange to the set S1. Next, to add items from another set into current set, use update method. Here we are updating the elements of set S2 and adding elements of S3 into it. With update, you can add any iterable to the set. For example, here we have created a set S2 and a list L1. Here we are adding L1 elements to S2 with the help of update method. We will see how to remove items from the set. To remove one item from the set, we have two methods, remove and discard. For example, from S1 we are trying to remove cherry with the help of remove method, and from S2 we are trying to remove cherry with the help of discard method. The difference between discard and remove is that discard does not give any error if the element to be deleted is not present, while remove gives an error. For example, when we are trying to remove orange from S2, discard does not give any error, while remove is giving the error. Also use pop method to remove an item, but this method will remove a random item. The return value of the pop method is the removed item. Example, we have created a set S4 which contains 6 elements. Here we are trying to pop one element from S4 and saving its result in X, and finally we are printing the value of X. Next is clear method. Clear method empties the set. The set still exists but it does not contain any element. So we have del keyword which deletes the set completely. Neither set nor its element exist. Next we will see join method in the set. First is union. The union method returns a new set with all items from both sets. Example, we have two sets S1 and S2 and we are trying to merge its elements to the new set S3. So we use union method and also we have pipe operator to do this task. Next we are joining multiple sets. Here we have three sets S1, S2 and S3 and we are creating a final set which contains the elements of S1, S2 and S3. Next is intersection. This method will return a new set that only contains the items that are present in both sets. that is common items that is present in both the sets. Other than intersection method, we have AND operator to perform this action. Next method is difference. This method return a new set that will contain only the items from the first set that are not present in other set. For example, here we are taking the difference of S1 and S2. So we are getting the output as 1 and 3, which is present in the first set. Other than difference function, we have minus operator to perform this action. Next is symmetric difference method that will keep only the elements that are not present in both the sets. For example, here in S1 and S2, we are trying to find out symmetric difference. So we will get the output as 1, 3, 4 and 6, which is not the common elements of both the sets. Other than symmetric difference method, we have cap operator to perform this action. Hope you understood set and its related operations. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Nuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.